Mae hwn yn hilarious, achos fi'n gwybod yr gwybodaeth hyn i gyd, ond mae rhaid fi esgus fel bod fi ddim a cael diddordeb yn beth sydd gyda Geraint i weid, ond...
Fi'n teimlo fi'n credu dyle ti cael fel jingle bach ar y dechrau o hwn, fel Iestyn's show, neu beth fel yna.
Finding out things he already knows. Helo, a chroeso i podlediad Hansh. Heddi mae gyda fi Geraint Rhys Edwards.
Helo, siamai.
Chi siŵr o'n nabod Geraint Rhys Edwards?
Os chi ddim, chi'n shit.
Waw. Ni jyst mynd i siarad fi ti faint mor humble a sweet i ti.
Oh, sorry. Fi'n just yn nervous. Dim tro cyntaf fi wedi gwneud podlediad o gweld.
Ond chi yn siŵr o'n nabod Geraint o... literally bron o fod pob fideo Hansh sy'n eriod wedi bod. Fi'n meddwl bod y platform wedi seilio arno ti yn unig.
Yn bendant.
Yn enwedig yn ystod Love Island. Can't get rid of the fucker.
I know.
Felly, am be mae'r podlediad yma? Wel, ddau'n ni'n actorion yng Nghymru, a mae'r podlediad yma yn rhyw fath o cipolwg tu ôl i'r llen ar beth mae bywyd fel actor yng Nghymru fel. Yeah. So, nes ni ddechrau yn Theatr Ieuenctid Cenedlaethol Cymru.
Do.
A Theatr Ieuenctid Genedlaethol Cymru, fi ffili cofio.
Theatr Genedlaethol Ieuenctid Cymru.
That's the one. Yn neud an Informer's Duty.
Informer's Duty. Fi'n cofio nes i cael y clyweliad a nes i cael y lle yn Theatr Ieuenctid Cymru. A ni fel, o'n i ddim moyn neud e. A mam fel, ti'n mynd i neud hwn. Achos bydd hwn yn newid y bywyd i. A ni fel, na, sa'i moyn, fi moyn mynd i'r dre a cael haf i'n hunan. A wedyn, fi'n cofio nath Hannah John yn weid, ti'n fucking silly os ti ddim yn neud hwn.
Yeah.
A honestly, fi'n mor falch nes i neud e, achos nath e just completely newid bywyd fi.
Well, yeah, mae fe'n rhoi fel sort of work ethic.
Massive.
I ti yn syth yn y gweld.
A ti'n mo, ni'n 16, so... Oedd e kind of, nath e roi kick lan fy nhŷ ni. Oedd ddim focus dy fi, o'n i ddim really'n...
Wel, i fod yn deg o ti'n 16.
Ie, na, fi'n gwybod. Ond, nath e really sorto fi mas, a fi'n cofio, oedd e'n really intense, a wedyn o'ch chi'n cael y tech, o'n i byth di bod mewn tech o'r blaen, really.
Yeah.
A wedyn, unwaith o'n i di, a wedyn cael fel, opening night, a...
Yeah.
Oedd e just yn amazing.
Yeah, oedd e'n amazing. Ond ti'n bod, o'n i gyd yn meddwl bod ni'n newid y byd gyda'r sioe na.
Fi'n cofio.
Fi'n meddwl Nadolig diwetha. Nes i gofyn mam, oes na rhywbeth ti wedi gweld fi wedi gwneud ti wedi absolutely cysau? A nes i'n mynd, yr un mwyaf boring oedd yn Informer's Duty.
Oedd Chos achos oedd e mor political a oedd e mor dwys.
O'n i'n teimlo fel bod fi'n ffurfio'r Labour Party newydd.
Oh gosh, achos o'n i ddim yn sort of... I didn't have a clue am pethau fel yna, really, yn 16.
Well, na, a ti'n mynd, so ti'n mynd round when you're mynd, I'm doing a play about Stalin, actually.
Yeah.
It's about Stalin and communism, you wouldn't get it.
Do you not know who Shostakovich is, actually? He's a famous composer.
Do you not know Anna Khmatova? Yeah. Famous Russian poet, wrote fantastic works in the Gulags.
Do you not know Tukhachevsky? I played him. He's a real-life person.
So, right, ar ôl Theatr Ieuenctid... Yeah. Be nes ti? Fi'n gwybod...
Nes i gael gatnio.
Nice.
So nes i auditiono, a nes i auditiono am ysgolion drama, a nes i mynd i'r finals, but I didn't get anywhere.
Dim teg.
So, o'n nhw fel, go and get some life experience. So nes i penderfynu...
Hang on, fi just gweud, mae'r broses o clyweld am ysgolion drama yn un eitha cystadleuol.
Yeah.
So mae fel 30 o lefydd yn y flwyddyn, a mae biti 3,000 o bobl yn trial am y llefydd na. So, competition is fierce. Yeah. So, mae lot o bobl yn trial am cwpl o flynyddoedd cyn cael lle.
A lot o chi'n cystadlu yn erbyn eich gilydd, really. Mo ffrindiau yn erbyn ffrindiau.
O'n i yn rhan audition am Royal Welsh. A o'n i wedi mynd trwy ddau fel yr adran i'r section canu o'r clyweliad. A Geraint yn canu karaoke classic hit, Can You Feel the Love Tonight?
A cappella.
A cappella. Dim starting note, crucially, ar y piano. So nath y pitch o fe rhy uchel. A fe'n hilarious. Pan nath y ddod i'r kit gan, Han, come
was like, I sound like Mary Poppins. What the hell?
Amazing. Julie Andrews.
A fi'n cofio o ti, nes ti ddechrau off yn ffain, a ti fel, A ni'n meddwl, shit, fi wedi pitcho hwn yn rhy uchel. A wedyn, nes ti roed y ben lawr. And I was like, do not laugh, do not laugh, do not laugh. Achos oedd pawb arall, gyd o'r auditionees arall yn edrych yn o ti, ti'n mo. And no offence, we were the best singers there. Oh my God. Didn't get a place, but still. Ond fi'n cofio, nes ti, as soon as like, Queen! Fel un. And he felt, oh my God, mae hwn rhy uchel. Oh my God, oedd e'n mor embarrassing.
Oh, exceptional.
A nes i eistedd lawr, a wedyn o'n credu, yeah, I'm not going to get in, yeah.
So le nes ti gael lle?
So wedyn, nes i cael gapio, nes i gweithio yn fel podiatrist assistant. So podiatry yw fel foot doctor, essentially, right? So nes i hyfforddi, o'n i fel, I'm in my gapio, fi'n 18, beth allai wneud? A oedd mam fel, dyna ti trio wneud rhywbeth gwahanol, rhag ofyn bod hwn ddim yn gweithio. So o'n i fel, fine, okay, so look, let's just do this. So wedyn nhw fel, ti moyn hyfforddi fel podiatrist assistant. And he felt, God, so what does that entail? So essentially, chiropodist.
Oh, right.
Right? So ni fel, fine. So nes i wneud y training ma. So, say os oedd rhaid i ti cael nail surgery, okay, on your big toe.
Yeah.
A wedyn, bydden ni'n wneud y dressing. A wedyn bydde pob wythnos, yr wythnos ar ôl iddyn nhw cael y surgery, bydden nhw'n dod i fi'n bersonol, in my scrubs, mask, popeth, gloves, the works, right? A nhw'n dod mewn, o'n i arfer fel ail-wneud dressing nhw a gofyn beth o'n nhw moyn, a o'n i'n fel rhoi antiseptic a pethau yna fe. And I thought I was the dog's bollocks, right? Oedd pawb fel, what are you doing? I was like, I'm a podiatrist assistant, actually.
I am on £11 an hour.
Well, I what? O'n i ar wage really da, and he felt, oh my God, I'm smashing life right now. And he felt, falle, but I was like, maybe this could be a career, t'ma? Ond, the nail in the coffin for me oedd, nath hen fenw ddod mewn gyda gangrene, right? Achos oedd hi'n diabetic, a nath hi demsiel ar pin, and she didn't know. So nath her infection build up, right? And she came in, oedd hi'n lovely, a ni gyda'r podiatrist, a ni'n, fel gyda'r mask, scrubs, and rhoi notes lawr, a wedyn nath hi tynnu bant fel y dressing ma, a oedd hi trwy'r bisbawd, was it a bit big?
Yeah, whatever.
Oedd e'n ddi, a ddod y wyneb yn, like, luminous. A oedd the stench. Fi byth, a ni'n hungover. A wedyn, nath podiatrist wneud, nath hi gael scalpel, a nath hi just gwythio fath a cwmpa bant. Nath her big toe just cwmpa off completely.
Oh my God.
The gangrene had reached her knee. Nes i literally cymryd bant a mask, and I projectile vomited all over the chair. A'r podiatrist fi fel, cer mas nawr, ar unwedd. A ni'n bod yn sick yn fy nwylo i, nes i rhedeg mas i reception, and I was sick all over like projectile vomited, all over the glass window. So pan chi'n fel, hello, reception, all over reception window. And I got sent home. A o'n i'n meddwl fyna, na'n credu allan neud hwn. So wedyn, eventually...
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, yeah. A wedyn, nes i ffind o mas, nes i gael lle yn Rose Bruford College.
Lovely. Yeah, and Rose Bruford basically just fel mansion massive.
Huge. A mae dyn nhw grounds amazing. So mae dyn ni lake enfawr. A wedyn, fi'n cofio yn y haf, oedd pawb fel yn neud, oedd pawb cofio gwisgo di, a oedd pawb fel second years yn neud fel stage combat gyda swords nhw. Oh, God,
like gay Welsh. Hogwarts.
It was like gay Hogwarts, yeah. Nes i dwlu yna fe, really. Ond fi'n cofio dydd, wel, blwyddyn cynt, actually, o'n i'n mor anxious, achos o'n i methu dod, I couldn't get over the fact oedd pobl o really posh.
Oh, yeah.
Pobl really dlawd. Pobl from loads of ethnic backgrounds. And he felt, fucking hell, mae hwn yn mental. O'n i'n dwlu yna fe, ond o'n i'n really nervous. Achos oedd the posh boys from public, from private education schools, well, yeah, coming from Oxford and like Cambridge. And we'd be like, what's your name? And I'd be like, oh, here we fucking go. Geraint. Geraint. No, Geraint. Geraint. No, Geraint. Geraint. Geraint? No. And in the end, I was like, just call me gay. Fi'n cofio. Nes I, I was like, oh, just call me gay. It'll be laugh, it'll be funny. Ond wedyn nath y tutors dechrau galw fi gay fel nickname yn y blwyddyn gyntaf.
Did that wear thin?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
A wedyn ni fel, fi ddim yn licio hyn, dim mwy. Mae hwn yn dechrau mynd ar fucking nerves fi. A wedyn fi'n cofio nath acting tutor fi, nath I weid. She was like, Geraint, she refused to call me gay.
Yeah,
she was like,
quite
Geraint. Right. She's like, does that offend you? And I was like, it didn't used to, but it does now. Right. A wedyn oedd hi fel, right, from now on. She was like, fi'n mynd I gael gair gyda gidiwr. A wedyn, they had no choice but to learn how to say my name. Geraint. Yr un Ffrangeg, director Ffrangeg,
yeah.
Right? Nath I ddod mewn, nath I fel, oh, Geraint. And he fel, you're taking the piss! There's nothing French about that name. Geraint Rhys Edwards. A fi'n cofio ail flwyddyn wedyn, oedd pawb di sort of, everyone was on the same level.
Yeah.
A wedyn, trydydd blwyddyn, o'n I ddim yn really di joio trydydd blwyddyn, just achos oedd pawb fel, agents, tymo.
Nes I gael bach o burnout yn trydydd blwyddyn.
Do fe?
Do, they're just fel...
Well, hang on, dwi'n wrth pawb ble es ti gynta, cos fi wedi siarad amdano fi am eitha hir nawr.
Do, mae wedi bod fi ti... Wel, 4 diwrnod nawr. Nes I fynd I Drama Centre.
Tom Hardy went there.
A Michael Fassbender. A Colin Firth, a Pierce Brosnan.
Okay, sure. All right.
Mae fe'n ysgol eitha bach, mae'n dim ond 16 ym mhob blwyddyn, a mae fe'n really...
Nes I clywed yn Drama Centre, o'n i'n clywed, rumours di mynd o gwmpas, cos obviously oedd pawb oedd yn neud audition yma. Oedd rhaid chi fynd yn noeth ar y dydd cynta?
Na, dwi'n ddim yn wir. Ond o'n I yn noeth pob diwrnod.
Beth ti'n meddwl?
Wel, oedd dim changing room gyda ni, so bys y ti yn... Oh my god, dwi'n stori ti. So ti just goffa newid fel o dillad normal mewn I stwff ballet mewn fel 4 munud. So bys ti just neud y bwys locker ti, so bys ti just pants off a jockstrap mlaen a tights and off you went. Ond un diwrnod oedd y merched ma'n eistedd ar y sofa, a ni'n meddwl bys fe'n hilarious I wneud mangina. So ni'n newid bwys locker, nes I just tuck o popeth mewn, a just mynd fel, wneud rhyw fath o like, silly walk, a nhw'n gyd yn chwerthin. A wen I, nes pennaeth y cwrs MA, cerdded heibio fi o'r cefn, a just fel edrych yna fi gyda fel rhyw fath o smirk. A wen I ar ôl dath biti 20 o students ar open day. Just ffailo hibo wedi gweld fel meat and 2 veg fi wedi squisho mewn I rhyw fath o casserole rhwng 2 hairy thighs. So nes I ddim neud hwnna lot ar ôl ni. Ond, oedd Drama Centre yn intense. Oedd fel 9 tan 9 pob dydd. A oedd fel, rhaid ti'n neud pethau really erchill, fel yna fel tymor o'r enw mobility, i.e. the opposite of stability, le o ti just goffod ail fyw moments mwy o traumatic bywyd ti o flan dosbarth ti.
Oh my god.
So pobl yn fel cael abortions a stuff, fel esgus colli rhiant nhw, neu esgus dod mas o damwain car le oedd fel braw bach nhw, oedd yn fel horrendous. Like really, really dark. So fel, oedd pawb yn just fel emotional messes.
Oedd rhywbeth y debyg gyda ni yn blwyddyn cyntaf, cos it's all about the self.
Oh yeah.
A oedd e'n fel... When's it no? Ond fel, achos oedd pawb... Tymo, they need to be unblocked. Achos oedd they were holding back, tymo.
Yeah.
A o'n i'n neud fel Meisner techniques, right?
Oh yeah.
A oedd rhaid I ni wneud fel, so objective oedd fel sgwennu llythyr, nes I sgwennu llythyr I mam, right? Ond oedd rai pobl, oh my god, fel, everyone was dark.
Oh god,
Fi wedi cael childhood lovely, a oedd pawb arall fel am bwrw'r wal,
oh my god, yeah.
Kick up, being like, I'm gonna fucking smash you up in a minute, and all this, and I was like, does this mean I'm not quirky?
Yeah, na fi'n gwybod.
And he felt, I'm so beige.
fel special objects, nes ti'n neud hwnna?
Yeah.
A fel fi oedd y cynta. So it's like, okay, Iestyn, what's your special objects? Like, my wardrobe, really into my clothes. So I bought like these Levi's in a vintage market in New York. I really like them. And this is a jacket I also found in a flea market and I really love. A fel, okay, cool. Oedd y ferchyn wedyn eisiau drws nesaf fi, a wnaeth i ddechrau mynd, like, this is it's a plastic ring I got in a cracker, and I wasn't getting on with my family, and I was working in a hotel, and I spent Christmas Day in the hotel that year, and it was the only present I got that year. You know, oh my God.
So dark.
So dark. Anyway, gyrfaoedd ni.
Gyrfaoedd ni.
Beth oedd job cynta ti?
Job cynta oedd gyda theatr company o'r enw Theatr Centre, a ni'n chwarae cymeriad yn enw Boyan, sef oedd e'n asylum seeker o Poland, yn credu. A oedd e'n kitchen porter.
Right, yeah.
A o'n i'n twro fe o gwmpas ysgolion.
Cool.
O gwmpas y UK. Oedd e'n mor anodd.
Yeah.
A o'n i just, achos yn enwedig yn Llundain, oedd e just, like, what is this shit, man? This is bullshit. They're like, you're shit. And I was like, thank you for coming.
I'm classically trained, actually.
I was like, I tried in Shakespeare in my second year. Oedd e just mor embarrassing. Like, o'n i beth. On, you know, to come, nes I gael award, the Dorothy L. Sayers Award.
Oh, yeah, it's as big as an Oscar.
No.
Never heard of it.
Never heard of it.
Who's Dorothy?
I don't know. Ond nes i gael £4,000. Nes i gael £4,000. Achos oedd hi fel, oedd hi'n credu bod fi'n wych.
£4,000?
Boyan, yeah.
So ti'n cael un o'r cash prize dy Olivier, mae hwnna'n excellent.
Ond y swydd sy'n dal un o'n hoff fi byth di wneud yw Saturday Night Fever. Ond oedd lot o ddawnsio, oedd e'n big scale musical, a hefyd o'n i'n byw yn Frankfurt am flwyddyn.
Oh god, yeah.
A wedyn, o'ch chi'n performo pob nos am 6 dydd yr wythnos. So, like, no matinees.
Nice.
A oedd yr English Theatre Frankfurt i roi chi lan mewn penthouse. Oedd you were treated like the tits.
Yeah,
really weird i ti. Mae'r Almaenwyr yn really edrych ar ôl chi. A we were invited to fel bankers, mansions, to their soirees, pob penwythnos. Ond
ma'n fel thing, fel Actio, ti'n gallu bod neill yn cael ei trin fel rhyw Sultan of Brunei neu rhywbeth, a ti'n fel mewn rhyw gwesti amazing, a ti'n cael ceir flash i pigo ti lan. Neu, ti yn fel, goffod cachu mewn bwced a newid mewn Little Chef.
Oedd e just... A wedyn wnaethon ni ddod â fe nôl i'r UK, a wedyn wnaethon ni UK tour dy fe. And it was amazing.
Yeah.
Best job.
That sounds fun. Nes i wneud rhywbeth o'r enw Kisses on a Postcard, which was as twee as it sounds.
Hwna dy swydd gynta di?
Yeah, yn Devon. A oedd e'n weddol horrendous. Nes i ddim really mwynhau. Oedd yr awdur, nath y boi'n ysgwennu fe, yn actio fel cyfarwydd o'r hefyd. A oedd e'n cadw gweud wrth fi, os ni'n chwarae rhywun, oedd e actually wedi yn nabod.
Oh.
Oedd e wedi marw, ond oedd e wedi nabod. So bys ni'n pigo lan, sambed, cwpan neu rhywbeth. Oh no. Gwyn would never, ever pick up a cup like that. And he went, oh right.
I'm not Gwyn though.
I'm not Gwyn. And do you have archive footage? Because there is no way that I could possibly know how Gwyn would have picked up this fucking cup.
And also,
because I never met him!
Also, Gwyn is dead.
Yeah. Gonna move on from that.
Yeah.
Our hoff job fi, probably, toss it prwng. Oh, mae pobl yn mynd I fynd yn upset for hyn. Nes I really, really, really joio amser fi ar Round a Round, ond fi'n meddwl to 35 awr oedd
yeah, mae'n ffain. So'n i'n mynd I fod, so'n mynd I casau ti.
Yeah, o'n i'n chwarae David ar Round a Round am 2 flynedd a hanner. Nes I Mae pawb yn meddwl nes i gael ei lladd off, ond mae rhaid fi weid yn ar y record, like, nes i hand a notice fi mewn.
Oh, right.
A wedyn nes nhw gofyn fi, fel I fi moyn mynd. A wedyn si, wel, falle llai mynd I carchar am ffrod. Ach, meddwl, ti'n bod, achos wedyn fi chi dyn ôl wedyn ni.
Yeah.
Os, you know, things don't work out.
Well, they thought, fuck this, I've got enough of you.
Yeah, had enough of me. Ni'n mynd I lladd ti.
Oh, great.
Oh, cool. So that was that.
Fi wedi bod ar rownd y rown.
Do ti wedi?
Dyclwn, ia.
Wel, o ti ar rownd y rown hirach mewn ffordd, achos yr eira ddal, like, trap o ti yn y gogledd.
Oh my god. Oh my god. And I rinsed them for every penny they had.
Oh, yeah.
Ti'n cofio?
Sawl bostel o wyn ys ti roi ar tab ti?
Fi'n credu 16.
Oh my god.
Nes I gael 2 botel o wyn pob nos ar ben fy hunan, lan yn gwesty'r Vic, achos I was trapped. Achos oedd yr eira mor wael yn Grydydd, and no trains were running, and I was losing my shit. O'n I ar ben fy hun yn Ngogledd Cymru, yn Menai Bridge, for 6 days.
Oh god. Dim byd I wneud yn Menai Bridge.
A mam just yn FaceTime with oh, ti, Gareth, he's got another bottle of wine. And he fel, there's nothing else to do, hun, I'm gonna get fucked.
Well, yeah, no, it does.
Ond, nes I really joio rownd ar ôl, maen nhw mor gyfeillgar.
Oh, mae'n pawb yn lush.
Mor lovely.
Yeah.
And bydden ni absolutely cael, if they offered me a rhan.
Well, let's get you a dialect coach first.
Fi'n gwybod, cos nes I Bangor wrthnos diwetha gyda'r sioe Cilch y Sialc, a nath rhywun o grind e weid, cos nes I enwybyddu fe, nath e weid, oh, by the way, I saw you on Round and Round, and please never, ever try and attempt to do a coffee North Wales accent ever again. Fuck
Rude.
you.
Rudeness.
He has got a point, though.
Wasn't that underneath the bad. And, like, very entertaining. Jonkel.
Jonkel. Gafodd fi di ddeud bod chdi adra.
Hey, that's not bad. That's not bad.
Not bad. I've had time to practice.
Yeah. Yeah, oedd just 35 awr, oedd yn ar ôl bod ar round around, oedd yn really fun, a ti di wneud e, a so ti'n gwybod, like, mor gyflym yw e. Oedd wneud rhywbeth o le o ti'n cael amser I just I gael y shots yn iawn. Oedd ti ddim yn teimlo fel bod chi ar frys I wneud yn rhywbeth, oedd e just a bit I cael yn iawn. Oedd e just yn fraint anhygoel cael gweithio dy actorion fel Christine Pritchard a Gillian Lisa. Nes I bron a wneud fel golygfeydd fi I gyd gyda'r ddwy fan yw na, ond maen nhw'n icons. Oedd nhw'n absolutely class, a nes I dysgu loads.
Amazing.
Right, symud ymlaen I embarrassing auditions. A sdim rhaid I fe fod an audition embarrassing yn ei hun, ond bod ti wedi gwneud rhywbeth embarrassing yn yr audition.
OK. Fi'n cofio o'n i'n trydydd blwyddyn yn ysgol drama, a o'n i wedi cael, oedd dyfu asiant yn barod, nes I sino gyda rhywun yn syth. A o'n clyweliad proffesiynol gyntaf fi oedd We Will Rock You on the West End. And I was like, fucking hell! Ease me in gently, why don't you? A fi'n cofio, because obviously nes I ddim wneud musical theatre, so we didn't have a massive portfolio gyda gyd o'r caneuon yma. And yn wedig Queen. So o'n I fel, what am I going to sing? So fi'n cofio nes I ffindo'r can ma Save Me, which is now in my portfolio.
It's called a repertoire.
Repertoire.
Yeah.
Well.
Portfolio photographers have, repertoire singers have.
All right.
This is the shit. Like,
sorry, rep
Hwnnw beth I ti fod dysgu yn coleg.
Repertoire then. A fi'n cofio nes I, and I was like, and I was nervous, I'm arfer and I was like, I'm just going to do a verse and a chorus, right? A dy fi 2 clyweliad y dydd na. Oedd dy fi, ble o'n i'n chwarae trumped, for an advert. A wedyn, adfa fi wneud hwn. So nes i'r Dominion stage, and o'n i'n absolutely cachu'n yna'n, right? And I really ddim moyn wneud e. Anyway, so is I mewn i'r audition with my trumpet, and oedd pobl fel, oh, is it an actor muso? And I was like, no, I've got an audition after this for an advert. Okay, fine. What are you singing? Obviously, gyda'r MT, musical theatre, pobl fel.
Maen nhw'n horrible. Maen nhw'n horrible hefyd.
And fi fel,
you've never known a judge your room.
Maen nhw mor horrible. And obviously, I wasn't used to that. So, is I mewn ar y Dominion stage, A then huge. And I was,
2.5
honest
versus
God, there was like a shit in my
colon.
No, it was in my pants. Ond nes I gerdded mlaen, right, a wedyn, oedd obviously Pippa Alien, huge casting director, a gyd oedd bwyty 15 o bobl yn y gynulleidfa with the lights on or whatever. What are you going to sing for us? And he felt, Save Me, Queen. They're like, oh, big song. And I was like, yes, it is. Gave the pianist the sheet music. I was like, it's only the first verse and first chorus, okay? Okay? I thought, yeah, okay. I was like, okay. Dechrau. And I was like, come on, Geraint, ti'n gallu neud hwn. And he fel, neud e. And I was like, yes. Oh my God, fi'n neud yn really dda. I was like, what's the next line? What's the next line? What's the next line? Stop. Sorry. And they're like, no, don't worry, just start again. I was like, okay, thanks. Started again. I was like, come on, Geraint. Giving it all that. I was like getting louder and louder and he was smashing it. And I was like, I don't know, the next line. Stop. And I was like, I'm so sorry. And they were like, don't worry, just do it one more time. I was like, fine. So I was like, fucking come on. Dechrau eto, neud e, smashing it, really smashing it. Got past that bit. I was like, yes. And then I was like, I don't know the next bit.
Oh, no.
And then they started mouthing, o'n nhw'n mouth o'r geiriau fi yn yr audience. And then I could feel my bottom lip go.
Oh, no.
And nes I just stop o. And nes I just burst into tears.
Oh, no.
That's 21. And they were like, and Pippa Alien, oh, darling. Oh, no, we've got a crier. And I was like, I'm so sorry. I've rehearsed for about a week. Like, I'm so sorry now. Like this, right? Nath the pianist was like, she went, oh, better luck next time. I was like,
oh, Christ.
So nes I adael, it's not the worst of it, so I was like, mortified.
Oh, no.
Nes I adael gyda trumped. Es I i'r clyweliad arall. They were like, okay, we're going to just ask you to just, can you tap dance? I was like, a little bit. They were like, okay, just play anything on the trumpet and just tap dance. And he fell, oh my God. So he fell, I was like, I only know Canon Lan off by heart. So he fell, shuffle up. And literally, they burst out laughing. And o'n i'n methu gweld pan mae Doniol o dde, chos o'n i'n mor upset. A wedyn, I was like, I'm going to go home now. This has been the worst day of my life. Nes I gerdded, nes I fynd nôl I Sid Cup, a it was like a 20-minute walk getra, right? Wedyn nath y cymylau agor, a nath y ddechrau bwrw glaw, a o'n i'n mor exhausted. O'n i'n hwn, of course mae hwn yn digwydd I fi, a wedyn nes I cyrraedd getra, nes I knock o'r juice. Oedd dim allweddi dy fi, nes I adl nhw rhywle. Dyna fe. A wedyn, o'n i'n mynd more and more frustrated, a nes I just knock o'r rhy galed, a nes I puncho trwy'r gwydr. A they're just horrendous. Ond, ie, dyna'r dydd fi'n credu.
Yeah, mae'n swnio'n awful.
Erchill, ie.
Nes I cael un eitha shocking yn ddiweddar, nes I mynd lan am School of Rock. A o'n i'n goffa canu can rock. So nes I fynd ag Aerosmith dy fi. A nes I gyrraedd Llundain, a am ryw reswm, oedd Llundain yn fel biti 20 degrees yn dwymach na Caerdydd ac yn hemo glaw. So nes I groesi Llundain, a nes I gyrraedd y theatr le oedd y clyweliad yn just absolutely dripping. A ni'n meddwl, oh, I'll have 2 mins now just to pull myself together, surely. I was like, wrth I fi gerdded mewn trwy'r drws, nath rhywun cerdded mas o drws arall yn mynd, Iestyn? A ni fel, hi! A wedi, so mewn a fi, just fel, it's like, oedd panel o 9.
Oh, classic West End.
Achos, obviously, mi eisiau 9 person I wneud penderfyniad os mae unrhyw un yn dda neu beidio. It's like, I'm not sure, what do you think, person number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And about what you're going to sing, and she went, oh, Aerosmith, Don't Want to Miss a Thing. A like, hwnny fel karaoke song fi, so fi'n eitha o-fei gyda fel fi'n gallu neud e, weddol off the cuff. Fi'n neud e ar ôl like 9 pint, so I thought I'd be fine after a bus journey. So fi'n rhoi, oedd y pianist fel, have you got sheet music? I was like, no, I bought a speaker. Nes I dechrau canu, a oedd yr ystafell mor echoey, o'n i just ffili clywed y speaker o gwbl.
Oh, na.
So o'n i'n hollol mas o amser, hollol mas o tune, a o'n i fel, oh, I just gotta go big, I just gotta go big. So mae'n fel key change, a mae boi Aerosmith yn wneud fel, yeah! No, I pitched that too high. Anyway, nes i just wneud fel rhyw primal scream. So ni fel, yeah! Yn siel canu o'r uchel o'n i gallu. A nes i mynd, oh, that's enough. A nath David Grindod, yr casting director, just mynd, oh, and it was going so well.
Oh my god.
Nes i just pigo lan speaker fi, cerdd y mas. When i nes i cael e-bost yn gweud bod dy fi recall. A ni just fel, beth?
Sorry, beth?
Beth?
You must have been right? That primal scream.
No, well, yeah. And I'm fel, that's horrible, but impressive, falle.
Falle. Ond falle nhw'n gwybod oedd dy ti potential. Falle. Is ti'r recall?
Na. Anyway, ond reality fod yn actor yw bod rhaid i wneud pethau arall. Mae stori wedi bod i byti Kate Jarvis, oedd arfer bod yr EastEnders yn gweithio fel security guard yn B&M, a oedd yna'n front page news yn y Daily Star, which I cannot believe.
I know.
Chwarae teg i'r cyhoedd, maen nhw wedi rhoi lot o shit i'r papur am wneud hwnna. As in, like, mum of two takes job to feed children kind of thing. Fel, like, beth sy'n bod yn chi?
Of course.
Ys ti roi esiamplau o pethau lyflu ti wedi goffi wneud?
Wel, fi'n cofio pam nes i ddod nôl i Gyrdydd, nes i symud nôl i Gyrdydd ar ôl byw yn yr Almaen ar ôl wneud y tŵr gyda Saturday Night Fever. So ni moyn mynd nôl i Lundain, ond wedyn nes i benderfynu jyst aros yn Gyrdydd. A wedyn nes i sînio lan gyda temping agency. A
jyst yn fynd o ti stuff fel casual mewn swyddfa.
Casual stuff. A fel office 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. A tyma be, fi'n cofio, achos o'n i arfer meddwl oedd rhaid i chi gweithio mewn bar, achos oedd rhaid i chi cael y dyddiau i fyny i clyweliadau, pethau fel yna. Ond actually, fel temp, ti'n gallu, ti gyda'r freedom na i weid sgol, sa'i mewn heddi, achos mae dy fi clyweliau, mae rhaid i fyny i Lundain, neu fi'n ffilm o'r dyddiau yna, A mae fe'n rhoi stability ti hefyd, a mewn ffordd, nath e sort of achub bywyd fi, achos o'n i'n ti'n bach yn impressed, fi'n cofio'n dod nôl, a o'n i'n gweithio mewn bar, fel local pub, so o'n i'n gweld pobl o ysgol fel, what are you doing in here then, ge? I thought you was in Germany, like acting and that. A ni fel, yes, I was. A they just mor, a ni just angen rhywbeth tipyn bach mwy, you know.
Ond ie, mae fe'n weird, nag yw, achos mae fel, os ti ar y teledu, neu mae pobl yn meddwl bod ti'n absolutely loaded. Like, o ti yn gweithio, wel, y ddoen yn gweithio yn yr un lle, o ti ar Love Island adverts, a o'n i yn 35 awr, not quite the same, ond fel, mae esbonio i rywun, like, na, fi'n mynd i BAFTA screening o finale cyfres fi mewn. I was like, oh, right. Maen nhw just fel, well, pam ti'n goffi wneud hwnda? Achos maen nhw'n meddwl bod ti'n loaded.
Well, na, maen nhw yn.
Yeah, a basically, mae fe mor anodd i wneud gyrfa mas o hwn, like, as in, mae just right i wneud pethau arall. A maen nhw'n, I suppose, a big break mae pawb yn siarad y biti yw pan mae'r diwrnod yn dod le dim rhaid i byth wneud unrhyw beth arall.
Ne, ti di dod yn enwog. A fi'n cofio pam nes i gael, nes i Love Island advert yna, pawb fel, this is it now.
Oh, for God's sakes.
Yeah, this is it. I've got good feelings. I'm like, it's an advert. Fi'n bita chicken wings. A fi'n bita sushi. A sa'n gweud yn byd. I haven't made it.
Hefyd, fi ddim moyn bod yn enwog. Yr unig flas ar bod yn enwog i fi wedi cael yw, sa'n gwybod, bod mas yn Cernarfon a pobl yn mynd, David, gai selfie.
Yeah.
A ti fel, yeah, okay, actually mae hyn yn really annoying.
Yeah.
Do them. I love it. I love it.
He loves it.
Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Make me relevant.
Na, fi'n gwybod, ond mae, ti'n mo, ond mae rhaid i ni gael arian rhywsyd. You you know?
Os rhywun ti moyn gweithio gyda?
Ooh. I mean, y freuddwyd bydde I weithio gyda Kristen Wiig.
Yeah,
I know that's a huge dream, ond fi'n credu mae hi'n neud lot o improvisations, a mae comedi hi, a mae chymeriadau hi yn really ysbrydoli fi.
Yeah, no, mae'n hilarious.
Mae hi'n amazing.
Yeah.
A ffordd mae'n sgwennu hefyd, byddai'n just yn dod I gweithio gyda hi.
Yeah.
A Matthew Rhys, that's one of my dreams.
Joy ni weithio gyda Greta Gerwig, hi'n oedd cyfarwyddo Francis Ha a Lady Bird, ti'n bod gyda Saoirse Ronan.
Yeah.
Hwna'n cool. A mae loads o bobl yng Nghymru lycan ni weithio gyda. OK, wel...
Diolch I bawb.
Diolch I chi am wrando. Falle fyddwn ni nôl yn y ddyfodol agos I trafod mwy am biti pa mor weird a wonderful yw'r bywyd actio.
Yeah, diolch.
Diolch, Geraint.
Diolch I ti.
Diolch am wrando a cofiwch tanysgrifio I bodlediadau Hansh.
A chofiwch I ddilyn a Hansh ar cyfryngau cymdeithasol, Twitter, Facebook a Instagram, achos mae fideos o'n I arno fe.
Joio, lyflu yma. Ta!
Ta-da!